Hey bro, do you love animal company? Tell me in the comments.
Alright guys, Jack's in the cold right now. You ready to go raid him with these new water guns?
Yeah! 3, 2, 1, go get him! Go get him! Why are you running?
What the fuck? Bro. Here. Yo, what the fuck? Let me hear it. Don't shred it! What the fuck?
Did you do your chores? Did you do your chores? Did you do your chores? When I get home, it better be clean. Did you do your chores? Did you do your chores? Did you do your chores? Why did you lie to me?
Okay, if I shoot you, you're in the clan. Sorry, you didn't make it in the clan.
Yo, bro, you want that bundle?
Yeah, bro. Wait, actually? Wait, no way. Actually?
Yeah, I got you, man. Okay, and you're welcome.
Ever heard of a toothbrush? Hey, can you give me directions to the nearest gas station? Think twice before speaking, Scottish turnip. Bloody hell, that's some tasteless American food. Anyway, time for lunch. Tasty.
Here's how to get the new golden monsters in Animal Company's new Biolab update. Let's get into it. Okay, to get the golden characters or monsters, it's a super rare chance. So I'm pretty sure you know what this machine is for a while now. So you put the valves in, you'll get a monster if you pull this lever. But it's the same thing to get golden monsters, but it is a super rare chance. Just to tell you an example, I'm trying to make a chart for each rarity of the monster currently. So I had 300 valves in this bad boy. I pulled this. So out of 300 something, we only got 5 goldens. That's how much of a rare chance golden characters are. But yeah, the gold characters are just a super rare chance, so I wish you luck trying to get them.
This is how they get the new DNA test tube and these new plushies. This is what you're gonna need: a grappler, backpack, and flashlight. And you're gonna head over there. When you safely went through all of that, you're gonna want to type in this code. It is... That's the code for that. And you're gonna want to go through this. Alright, once you have your weapon, you're gonna want to break these. Then you're gonna want to, for this one, for example, you're just gonna want to match these. It's pretty simple. Alright, that's how you get this. Alright, once you're back at this machine, you're gonna want to get your test tubes ready. You're gonna drop them in there and pull. And these will be randomized. If you don't like them, you can just recycle them.
Oh, okay, guys, this is the code. 3854.
Hey, Meta.
So,
Yo, where's the new map at?
hey, Meta.
Don't worry, bro. We're coming back. Yo, we gotta head back for him. We gotta head
Got
back
it.
for him.
No problem.
Yeah, getting too late, bro.
Alright, come on. Alright, come on. Hold on, I'm gonna show them the code. I'm gonna show
What'd
them.
you say?
Alright,
I'm
so
already fucking lost
So, guys, the
in
code
the
is
forest, bro.
3854. So, when you
okay,
come
we
to
can go
this,
back. Wait, no, we
go in here. Huh?
We have to go back. no heart.
I wish we did. Enchanté.
Why do birds
You look delicious, my dear.
every time you are near? Just like me, they long to be close
That's
to
us.
you.
What was that noise? What was that noise? Jimmy? Jimmy, is that you? Jimmy, you're golden! Whoa, Jimmy! What was that noise? Was that you, Jimmy? Wait, Jimmy, touch this. I think I might have an idea. Whoa, Jimmy! Jimmy! I could sell this for a fortune. Wait, Jimmy, okay. Could you maybe make this gold, Jimmy? Whoa, Jimmy! Jimmy, what else could you do with this power? Jimmy, don't. Jimmy, please. Jimmy?
Can I save that?
No, bro, I just spawned this in.
Please, bro, I just want to borrow.
You're banned.
What is going on?
Don't you be a meanie. Thought you wanted me to go. Why you trying to keep me teeny now? Now they need
Your table, sir. Oh, thank you so much. Wow, there sure are a lot of ghosts here.
I hope I don't get reported to the Discord.
No, it's okay. She said we can drink cola and eat potato chips. It's just the way we're wired.
You are mine! You are mine! Go, 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 go.
Okay.
Never say what you mean, all I hear is scream. And never say that to me, never say that to me. Oh, wipe that shit off your face, let's not stop. So the more you spit out your mouth, the less I believe. Denial seems it had to go. Well, I don't need to say it all. Denial is left to all alone.
Don't you dare try to kick me. I can kick you. Don't you dare try to kick me. 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 I can kick you. Don't you dare try to kick me. I can kick you.
Don't you dare try to kick me. I can kick you. I can kick you.